Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress where we talk everything and all about WordPress. It's Aisha and in this video we're going to learn how we can create menus and create drop-down menus for your WordPress website. As you can see, this is my WordPress website and this is the beautiful slide I have just created using Smart Slider 3. You can check the video out. Getting into the video, I have few pages over here which is completely scattered and unorganized. There's a home page, a blog, sale page, checkout, cart. This is any typical WooCommerce website, as you can see. This is a theme dependent, so you will be having different according to your theme. All right. So to create menus, let's go to the dashboard. When navigating into the dashboard, and you need to go to the appearance and then menus. Here we are going to create a new menu and add our uh, categories and create a drop down list. So I'm adding a category. Let's see, this name will not be visible anywhere. We're just going to create one. So I'm going to create. I've just click the create option, and then you will be able to add what all like categories will be there in the menu. If you have already created a menu, then you will be, or if there is any menu already created by your team, then you just need to click into the create new menu. All right. So this is my category. This has to be my primary menu. So I'm going to check the primary menu option, display option. I'll let you know what is the difference between a primary menu and secondary menu. So I'm going to add the primary menu, which is basically the first session of your page. There'll be home page, blog, or whatever the first thing that you want to highlight in your website. I'm going to add under this category. So I'm going to add the sale. Let's go to the view all. There's a home page, blog page, and cart. No, cart. Let's leave the cart for now. Then there is shop, all this. So I'm going to add this as my primary menu. So click on to the add to menu, and you will be able to visible all these menus I'm going to have in my website. I'm going to add another one which is sale in this menu. So for this, I'm going to add the categories like the drop down list for the menu. So you have to just add few more menus, few more pages for your website. Whatever you have. I have Black Friday sale, weekend sale, and winter sale. So I'm going to add all these sale pages, which is basically entry coming under the sale section and adding under this. So what you have to do is just drag it and move a little bit, and you can see there's a hierarchy created over here. I'm going to do this again over here. This. All right. So I have created a whole session over here, as you can see. Now I'm going to add the shop session. For this, I'm going to add a few posts, not pages, but posts. So for that, you can click the post session over here. I have kids menu, women's wear, blog, etc. All this I'm going to add under the shop. So this is here. I'm going to this and this. So you can also create sub uh, menus like after you click shop, you will come under the kids wear, then coming under the women's wear. You can create sub categories as you wish by moving over here. So I need just under this only. So I'm going to add over here. All right. Okay. So I have the drop down list completed. So I have few blogs also, which is I'm going to add under the blog. All right. So these are the blog I have just created for my website. You can just check the video out. I'm just going to add the videos of this blog. All right. So I have added the sub items for my website. So I've just created a menu. So this is set. So I'm going to save it. All right. Now we're going to create a new menu. So this is going to be our secondary menu. For this, I'm going to name it as customers. Okay, so I'm going to create the menu, and I'm going to add my account, checkout page, and cart page to this menu. I'll show you what you have to do. You just need to add to the menu, and let's make it a separate menu, not in the primary part but in the secondary part. I'll show you how it is done. So this is set. I have account, checkout page, and cart page over here. Alright, you can drag and drop and adjust all these menus, like which one should come first and which one should be coming after that, etc. All those things you can adjust it according to your wish. So save menu. So we have created two menus. Now we have to set the location of the menus. So which one will be the primary menu? So I have created the primary menu. Then I have created the customers menu. So I'm going to add this one as primary menu and the customers as the secondary menu. I'm going to save it, and let's view the website in the new tab. So now you will be able to see there is a home page, a blog, shop, sale, and then this is the primary menu. Then now you can see there is a secondary menu, which is basically the secondary part, which is not the primary, means like which will not be visible for the front years, but you will be able to see it later on. All right, we have created the menus. Let's see how it works. Like I have blog to drop down list. For this, I have few drop down lists. Sale, there's a Black Friday sale, weekend sale, winter sale, etc. Another thing is if you want to customize it, let's go to the edit page part. Okay. You can either go to the edit page part or you can go to the customization part in the appearance. As you can see, customization. Let's leave the edit page. If like those things are, if there's a minute, which we'll go into the details in later on videos. Now we have the customization. Here you can lively add and drag and drop all these menus that you have created. So in this customization part, you can see there's a special menu, which is the menus, and you can customize it from here lively. So you can go to this menu and you will be able to see the category, which is basically the primary menu, then the customers, which is basically the secondary menu. So I'm going to rearrange this. So category, I'm going to rearrange it. I'm going to bring the blog at the end. As you can see, I have just bought the blog at the end, and then I'm going to add the shop, sale, and blog. That's okay, that's fine. All right, so I have to add one more thing. If you want to add one more thing, you can add it from this page only. So this gives a real-time experience for your website. If you want to add any products, categories, you can add categories, tags, product categories like accessories, hoodies, t-shirt, all these things you can add from here itself. All right, so this is the primary menu, this is secondary menu. Okay, this is already basically like set, so we don't have to change it. I just shown how you can customize it from here itself. Then you just need to click on the publish button. All right, now you will be able to see your WordPress website with fully functional drop down and menu for your website. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.